3 a.m. wake-up calls are tough. That's why Enfamil makes a ready-to-use formula that's easy to pour anytime. And the 32 fluid ounce bottle is a perfect size for life with a growing infant. Easy to grab and pour. When the formula is always ready, you're always ready. Whether it's packing for daycare or quality time with dad, the Enfamil 32 fluid ounce ready-to-use bottle is ideal for preparing multiple bottles in advance for families on the go. Try Enfamil ready to use today. Middle of the night feedings with your newborn can be tough. You need a formula that's ready when she is. That's why Enfamil makes a 2 fluid ounce ready to use bottle that can be stored in the nursery. Simplify feeding night and day. Whether it's a late night feeding or a quick trip to grandma's, Enfamil 2 fluid ounce ready to use bottles are easy to grab, easy to pack, and easy to nourish your baby when you're on the go. Simple, convenient, and perfect proportions every time. When the formula is always ready, you're always ready. Try Enfamil ready to use today.